Today, we want to raise more awareness about HPV-related cancers. And HPV stands for human papillomavirus, and it's actually the most commonly sexually transmitted infection globally. And a common misconception is that this can only be transmitted through penetrative sex, but it can actually also be transmitted through oral sex as well as skin-to-skin contact. And while many HPV infections clear up on their own, there are some high-risk HPV strains that have been linked to 6 different cancers. These are responsible for about 91% of all cervical and anal cancers, and that number for anal cancers dramatically increases if we're talking about individuals living with HIV, and it's also been responsible for about 70% of all throat cancers. But how exactly does HPV cause cancer? Well, when a cell is infected with a high-risk strain of HPV, that virus can now interfere with safety switches that cell has in order to monitor its growth and division. If it interferes too much, this can lead to uncontrollable cell division or cancer. And historically, there's been testing that has been done for anybody who has a cervix through a pap smear looking at HPV DNA, primarily through a pelvic exam. However, advancements in lowering the barrier for people to get tested now include self-collection that can be done at a doctor's office, as well as home collection that can actually be mailed in for testing. Additionally, historical vaccination efforts have been primarily targeting girls and young women. However, it's important to know that HPV vaccination is for everyone, as the vaccine protects against most of the high-risk HPV types responsible for HPV-related cancers. But for much more information about HPV and how it can lead to cancer, I recommend that you check out the link in this description below that will take you to Cheeky Charity. And to learn much more about different scientific and medical topics, visit MedTopics.com. Thank you for watching my latest video. And if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here. And you may also enjoy a related video that I have, which you can find by clicking over here. I'll see you on the next one.